The Ten Commandments. You shall have no other gods before me. Choose to pray or thank God every day.
Okay, before we go to sleep, let's pray muna. Let's sing the Our Father. Okay, let's hold hands and pray. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. Okay, let's go to sleep now.
Honor your father and your mother. Obey your parents. Show respect and help them at home.
Okay, Apollo. You clean up your toys na. Okay? I'll go. Sirain mo. Help mo si daddy mag-clean up yun.
Yes. You shall not steal. Return something that doesn't belong to you. Ay, hindi pa to sa akin. Ibabalik ka ba ito kay Elena? You shall not bear false witness. Always tell the truth, even if it means admitting mistakes.
What?
Masira po.
Nasira? Why? Nahulog? Pa-fix natin. Pa-fix mo. Balik mo. Okay, okay na? Sira pa? Fix na? Okay, peace.
You shall not covet. Be thankful for what you have instead of being jealous of others.
Angie, tumatawag si Hailey. Halika dito. Hello! Oh, pinapakita na yung bago niyang toy. Wow, ganda. Mababay mo lang siya? Ah, kasi pinakita lang niya yung toy niya. Oh, sige, bye-bye. Gusto mo rin ba yun, yung toy ni Hailey na bago?
Hindi po kasi madaming nag-toys.
Okay.